this is Zi-Fi, and welcome to the newest gaming video. Today we're playing Risk of Rain 2. Now, I promise this will the audio and quality of these will enhance. We're gonna select single player. Here we go. First time ever playing this, actually. It's gonna be a new type of experience. Alright, let's see. Hills. Okay, delivered. Nice. Alright, we're going. Okay, here we go. Okay. I think I got the grasp of the controls down. What is that? Okay. What is this thing? Okay. Okay. Map. Okay, that's the ping button. I didn't mean to do that. Oh! What is this? What is this? What is that? Comic mischief. Oh no! No! I need... Oh, this is just peachy. Okay, I got him. Okay, got him. Oh my gosh! Run. I don't know where I'm going. But I'm just gonna run. Okay, hide behind this thing. Oh, nice. No. Not today. Oh, you can sprint. I should have figured this out very early on. Open chest, please. Oh, no, not one of these things again. I'm running. The camera. Oof. Oh, that's just great. Alright. Round 2. That was interesting. Okay, here we go. Here I am. At least in the start, I'm not immediately being bashed. And I'm back. Here we go. Okay. Got him. Oh, what is that? It's probably some of those. Yep. Beautiful. My aim is incredible. Oh. that's what that does. There we go. No. Okay, time to explore. Oh. Okay. I have $39. Ooh, no. Just leave me alone. Oh, he's glitched. Did you see that? He just went under the map. Is that intended? I don't think so. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him! Turtle looking thing. Okay, open that up. What is this? Sticky bomb. How do you... What? How do I use the sticky bomb? That'd be nice. That'd be nice to know, game. Oh, hi. Sheesh. Oh, I'm out of here. Why are you running? No. No. Please. Oh my gosh. I just turned around. This game is fun, but I'm used to Minecraft. Here we go. Oh, I used my sticky bomb. I don't know how to run. Come on. Oh no. Please. I did not mean to do this. I didn't mean to do this. Come on. Oh, no. If I don't run, I'm dead. Oh, hi, Viper, or whatever that thing is. I need to know how to play this game. And I can't look at the original because the original is Mario, basically. $40? Oh wait, that didn't give me $40, that took $40. Nice. Give me... Oh. Nice. Please. Okay, you can hold these. I should have been doing that. Whew. I can't crouch. That's annoying. It's probably a feature, but who cares? Nice. That's Peachy. Nope. Barrel. Okay, I'm back. Had to take a tiny break. Where was it? Oh, yeah! Oh, no! Oh, out of my side. Nice. Alright, World 3. I absolutely suck at this game. Oh wait, it's on medium. I've never played this game before. Alright. Gonna explore the area as much as I can. Oh wait, I've been here. Okay, $25 that I don't have. This crappy lizard creature. Thanks. I'm gonna look up what the name for that thing is. Oh wait, it's unfocused. No. 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 Okay, I think that's as focused as I'm gonna get it. Okay, there we go. There we go. Nice. Oh my gosh! I'm sorry for the brakes. Yep. To you, it's probably not. No. Please. Astronaut man, run. Run like the wind. Man, I need to know these names. Oh, I knew it. I glitched through it for a second. Oh, this game is so fun, but frustrating. I haven't used ZL. Dodge! Ooh, that was nice. Cool. Run. I don't care where I'm going. I just want to get there. Is it falling? Oh, nice. Nice. I died from this fall. Tell my story. No, not today, buddy. Not today. Okay, what's this? Is this like a... Ooh, armor. X. Now I can fly. Oh, that's so helpful. Wait. Why is there like boss music? Is there something coming for me? No. What's this? Open it. I can't. Okay. Nice. Music is so loud. I wonder what like a blood moon would look like in this game. Okay, I can buy it. There's 2 of them. Actually, I have to wait. On. Activate. This game. Okay, the ship. In. Go. Oh, nice. Give me please. Okay. Come on. Look at me now, suckers. Ow. Whee! Oh shoot. Oh no. Come on. Dash backwards. Zia. Come on. Please. I just want to leave. 5, 4. Oh my gosh, there's so many. Come on. Please. Okay, here we go. Da 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 da. Gosh, please, no autographs today. I'm not home. Oh, nice, man. That peachy, just peachy. Oh, I'm alive. No. Dash now. Oh. Okay. Oh, that bounces you. That's good. Oh, shoot. What is that? Oh, please. Oh, wait, this is a good way to get... this is the best way to get cash. I know there's definitely better ways, but who cares? No, I didn't mean to press that. Misclick. What's this? Take it. Come on. Please. Oh, hi. Don't have time to talk. I'd love to stay in chat, but I gotta run. Okay, what is this? This is an actual fun, good game. Shoot it. Oh. I may not be too good at the game, but I like it nonetheless. Okay. What? Come at me, boy. Oh no. Okay. Energy bottle. catching up. They're catching up. Run. Dun, 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 run. Dun, 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 dun. 17 sticky bomb. I love these things. Okay, how do I do this? Okay, I need to learn how to use the sticky bombs. That's definitely not the button. That's definitely not. Come here. Music is epic. Please. No. Long live the king. Ow. Here we go. Immediately run. Oh, there's so many. So many! Oh no. Darn. Well, I think that's gonna wrap it up for today's episode. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace! Peace.